T, what you doing, man?
Oh, just getting these coilovers set up right here.
Look at T working.
Getting ready to drop this truck 3 in the front, 5 in the rear. So this is part of the VAS kit I got from Drew at Modern Muscle. So if you guys need one for your truck, make sure you see him.
Modern Muscle Performance, check them out.
They are the go-to guys for me. Shipping was pretty quick. If you guys are looking to do this kit, make sure you allow yourself about 3 to 4 weeks, because sometimes it takes Viking a little longer to get these shocks out and the struts for the coilovers, if you want to call them that, for the front end. So we're just getting these kind of basically snugged up, set in. We're going to get the bearings and the bushings set up in here.
That looks shiny, T.
They're going to look good. It matches the truck. It's got a custom match. That's extra for your.
We're not gonna walk over there yet. We're not gonna show the bling just yet.
Oh, not all.
Not yet. Not yet. Can't do it just yet.
Not all the candy.
Gotta get some suspense here. Sweet.
Suspense. So.
We finna drop this thing.
Now we just got our case. Looks like it's one.
What is going on, and welcome back. Man, we're out in the shop. Got a special guest today. And basically for the weekend, we're gonna get into some antics. But anyway, we're gonna start one video right now. And we're about to get the lowdown
On the one low 5-0.
Get the lowdown. We're gonna take one high 5-0 and turn them into one low 5-0.
That's right. Uncle Jesse's going down on the
who is it? There he is.
Welcome
one low
back.
5-0 back there.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back, ready.
Yep.
What do we got? A 5-part mini-series coming?
Oh man, we
got Epic Truck.
We're gonna have some, I don't know.
We've got Epic BMX.
Some hospital visits maybe.
We got some Epic ER visits.
Yeah.
We're going to show you how Aflac works. Aflac.
Yeah. Supplemental insurance.
Supplemental insurance. We need
Gotta
that.
have it.
I might fall and break a hip. I identify as old.
Identify as broken. But man, let me quit. Let me quit messing around here and let's get to it, man. We got a lot of work to do. We're gonna drop this truck. What year is it?
It's a 2019 F150.
2019 F150 single cab.
Short bed.
With the Coyote. And we're gonna make it low, quick. And quick. Get off the line. Here we go, let's get busy. All right, y'all, so this is what we are working with. It is a VAS. Get in on that. Suspension and Fabrication. This is for the Ford F-150 now. From what I've seen, they specialize in the F-150s and I think Chevrolet trucks. So, got some cool stuff. This basically turns this into like a slapper bar setup. Kind of, sort of, something like that. But anyway, this is basically the kit. Now we do have some coilovers for the front over here, which are pretty sweet, some Vikings. But this is the kit that is going to drop this truck down and make it hook up. Apparently this is the deal. If you want your truck, if you plan on drag racing it, you want to hook up, this is the deal. This is what you go with. But anyway, we're not going to do a how-to, but we are going to hit the highlights along the way, as normally that I do on this channel. So man, stick with me. Let's get through this, start getting this thing. Let's get this truck up in the air. We got to get on this lift here and get busy. There it is, VAS. Let's do it. All right, y'all, so one thing I want to show you. This is a kit that takes and puts the rear end on top of the leaf spring instead of under it. You got to take them off. But if you look there, the head of the bolt is against the gas tank. Now you can drop the gas tank, but that's a lot of work. So we're trying to cut it off. The instructions say to either drop the gas tank or to cut the head of that bolt off. And unfortunately, I don't have a wheel large enough diameter to get up in there because the tool hits. So doing the best we can with a hacksaw, we'll see. You should be able to get it off though.
Well, as you can see, Pony.
It's about to come off.
We're about to celebrate victory. There we go, America. Victory, Pony. See, this is what America is about, y'all. Making things go fast, look better, and good friends hanging out together.
Wild hair.
And look at this, beautiful. Oh my God. This is almost like Tom Selleck-ish from Magnum PI era, when he'd like get out of the water type stuff. You know what I mean? You know how he'd get out of the water?
Really add to the...
Oh, well, it just gives a highlight to the hair if it's natural.
I got my funky 5-0's gonna like that.
Oh, we are funky.
The what are those pineapples?
Pineapples. That's Funky's.
Funky's favorite.
Well, I think that's Funky's safe word when he's with his lover. All right, y'all. Well, we are continuing on. We got one leaf spring out on the passenger side. Now we are coming out of the driver's side. So we're starting to look good. Thanks, everybody. Stay tuned for more.
All right, y'all. So a little update on this. I want to point this out. These bolts that hold the leaf springs together, basically that's all they do. They keep the leaves together. They're a pain, and if they have any kind of rust on them, they're gonna be tough to get off. So we had to put some heat on them, WD-40, some muscle, and eventually they came loose. But we had to use some vice grips over there. But yeah, keep in mind that is going to be tough right there. So far during this whole installation, that has been the toughest part. But hopefully we're on the downhill now. We can start bolting stuff in and yeah, get this thing low. Alright, y'all, so I wanted to show this real quick how this suspension setup works. So if you see, the leaf spring is underneath the rear end there. It was on top, so the way that they call it a flip kit, I believe, something like that. So basically takes that spring, puts it underneath the rear end, which essentially lowers the rear. We're starting to work on the front, but I wanted to show the rear here. There is the shock relocation. There's another relocation on the driver's side. So same thing basically over there, and then this is the front. I don't even know what you call that thing, but it's like a slapper, I guess. It'll actually contact up under here on the leaf spring, and then you've got a bar that goes between here and that mount right there, which I'll show you one of those bars. Let's see, where'd the bar go? There's the bar. So that black bar there that goes between there, and it basically kind of works like the old school slapper bars, so to speak. But yeah, it's supposed to be the deal. But I did want to show that while we had the wheels off and everything back here kind of tidying up and moving to the front.
Moving to the front.
What do you think?
So the front ain't as bad, it seems. It seems. We've got only a couple parts to put in. So we're going to see how that goes. The rear fought us a little bit, but as always, Pony persevered and
that's right.
Got down and did what he does.
Do what I do.
If you ain't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. If you ain't a member, get to be a member, because you get exclusive content just like this coming to you all. So thanks everybody for watching, and we are going to get back to work.
Yes. Alright, y'all, so we kind of wrapped up the back and moved up to the front and got a little excited and accidentally put the wheel and tire on, as you can see. But I'm going to try to sneak in here. Look at this coilover. Pretty standard stuff. There's a mount at the bottom that you got to put in. Can't really see it. There's also a mount at the top that goes in, and it's got these 3 nuts and bolts that come up through the strut tire, I guess you'd call it. And then that's it, pretty much. Just put it back together, and she's on coilovers. Well, now what's interesting is the arms on the lift. The truck is sitting too low with the lift all the way down, and the truck's still sitting on it. So we gotta jack it up, but we're about to do that, and then we'll give you a shot of how it looks. All right, y'all, so man, it is late. It is late. It's after midnight, right?
After midnight, yeah.
After midnight, is that a song?
After midnight, yeah, Eric Clapton.
Yeah, anyway, we're probably gonna sing that here shortly. But this is, look at this. the lost member of the Bee Gees. This is Tired Pony. This is working all day on the car, sweating.
This
pony,
is one
so
done low.
that's
It's been a long day.
One hung low, one low 5.0. He was one high 5.0, now he's low 5.0.
That's right.
It's definitely low.
You wait till tomorrow, we'll break it out, give him a full
This video will continue to the ending. Continue to the ending.
Well, it's not, today is tomorrow, so it's really not tomorrow, it's today.
But I'll close this out with a view of the truck with the new wheels on it. We've already pulled it out of the shop, so it's dark out and we're not going to get video tonight, so we get in the morning to close this video out. But anyway, we're going inside.
Drive by.
We're going inside because
what do you want to do? Watch Red?
This is what. See how the camera's falling? That's what we're about to do. Alright, y'all. It's early in the morning. We just getting up, getting motivated, but we gotta get to the alignment shop. We gotta get there early. But check this motherfucker. I was gonna say, check this motherfucker out. But check this out.
Look, you know it's early when the rooster's crowing.
But check this out, man. Look at this truck. That thing looks good. Look at them wheels, man. Got my rooster cackling in the background.
You all know it's early, man.
No, we know we up early.
You know how we do it.
That's how we do. Look at that.
I think it looks good. What about you?
Yeah, that thing looks killer.
It does look good.
Yup.
Take it in, get the alignment done.
Yup.
Straighten out that exhaust.
That's it. Cool. We're gonna get the alignment. Hello, sir. I see you have one low 5.0. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and let T wash the truck so we get some good footage of it. Yeah, he missed the spot right there. But check this out. Man, that thing looks so good. And low. Yep. T, I gotta call you one hung low. That's your new name, man.
Yeah.
That's what I call the truck. I'm gonna get some badges made for T. Say one hung low. That thing looks good, man.
You're not good. Thank you for all your help.
Anybody else, T, and I'd have had to charge him. T, take us out.
All right, so what we got here is we got a little crazy in Pony's Playland this weekend, and we converted a truck from some old plain Jane granddad looking thing to this beautiful beast that you see here. And all thanks to Pony 1992, the use of his shop, his tools, his expertise. Greatly appreciate everything. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Join the membership. It's well worth it. Stop playing. I don't know what you're doing today, but you got to get in. That's all I got to say.